Hello rail fans, and welcome to another video on the Rusty Boxcar channel. What you're seeing here is Q574 as it makes its way up the Radnor Cutoff north and getting ready to go through the Maplewood junction. We decided that we could catch Q574 going across Gallatin Pike. So we parked right there at the Inglewood Muffler and Hitch. This was on a Sunday, so the business was closed. Pretty cool drone footage. You can see Nashville down there in the background, and pretty neat to see this train cross the bridge. So a couple things, there are a lot of power lines in this area, so flying the drone was a bit of a challenge, and where the sun was pretty much the only direction from where we were where there weren't power lines. So bringing the drone down was quite the adventure because I couldn't make great eye contact with it the entire time due to the sun, but still happy we got this shot. We'd been sitting down at Delmas waiting on a train. As that train came through, we heard 574 come through Shelby Park, and thought I had just enough time to get up there and get it here at this cutoff bridge. So we'll let this roll on by, and then we're going to get a little surprise right as 574 clears out of our view. And as I've mentioned to you guys a few times in the past when doing drone footage, the drone does not capture any audio, so for me to be able to blend the audio of the train with the drone footage, I always have a ground camera set up, and I generally try to point it at a view of the train that I can use as either backup footage, or if something goes wrong with the drone footage, I can use it as the video. So as 574 departs the way here, we hadn't been listening to the scanner. We'd left it in the truck. Traffic's normally pretty slow on the cutoff, and so really didn't expect anything else to be coming. So we brought the drone down, got it set up in the back of the truck, and we're getting ready to turn off the GoPro we were using as a ground camera, and 573 makes its way south on the cutoff, coming in from Cincinnati down the Radnor yard. So you'll get a view of 573 here as it makes its way through. It's not the greatest footage, but still not bad. So pretty happy that we captured it with something. Hope you guys enjoy seeing that go through, and look forward to bringing you another video soon. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.